All right, I took our Betty Crocker brownie mix and I mixed it up per the directions on the back of the box, and I placed it into our greased muffin tin for this super fun Valentine's Day treat. We are going to be popping this into our oven for about 15 minutes at 350. All right, our brownies are still warm and they just came out of the oven. While they are still warm, we want to grab our shot glass and some Pam. And this is kind of the fun part. I'm just gonna make sure that our shot glass is sprayed with Pam, and I'm gonna go right on in to our brownies while they're still warm to create a little bit of a well. And that's why that Pam is important. We wanna make sure that it does not stick to our brownies. And right on in. Beautiful. That chocolate is nice and melted. Our brownies are perfect consistency for our well. We're just gently going in, just like so. And I use this silicone muffin tin. It'll just be easier with this recipe to kind of pop them in and out. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering from those chocolate brownies. All right, we are going, now that we have all of our wells, we are just going to leave these off on the side and let them cool. All right, while our brownies are cooling, I have our piping station and our cheesecake no bake. This is just a Ziploc bag and a medium-sized vase. And what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna be popping some of that no bake into our piping bag, just like so. And I'm using maybe about a cup of our cheesecake no bake right into our piping bag. I love using cheesecake no bake, as everyone knows. You could also do a Cool Whip for this. You could also do a frosting, but that cheesecake no bake does the trick. And we're just gonna pop that up. Make sure all of our cheesecake goes to the bottom of our piping bag, just like so. I'm gonna grab some kitchen shears, and we're gonna do a small, very small cut to the bottom of our piping bag. All right, after our brownies has cooled, I have them back here. Look at our beautiful wells. And we're gonna go in with our piping bag of cheesecake no bake. And I'm just gonna gently pipe our cheesecake no bake into our little brownie well, just like so. And it's key to use the brownies when they've cooled down, because we don't want that cheesecake no bake to melt. We wanna make sure it remains at our cool temperature. Oh, look at how darling those are turning out. All right, we have our last one here. They kind of look like ho-hos or ding-dongs, but they're super, super darling. I have just a couple of strawberries. I cut them right in half. And this is kind of where you can be creative. I'm gonna go in with our first one with a little strawberry, just like so. And then our next one, I have some really, really yummy cherry pie filling. I'm gonna bring in our little ice cream scooper. I'm doing the cherry just to kind of add some contrast to that strawberry. I'm just gonna right on top. Ooh, yummy. You could always do like a lemon or a blueberry, but I think for Valentine's Day, sticking with our red colors. Oh, yummy. And that brownie is gonna kind of act as our crust for that layer. Oh, perfect. And then of course, for Valentine's Day, I had to pick up the little Valentine's Day M&Ms, and I'm gonna go in and just put a couple on each one of our little brownie bites, just like so. All right, and our last one here. Ooh, beautiful. All right, I have our beautiful little board here so we can pop our brownies on them. And the nice thing about that silicone mold is we should just be able to pop our brownies out just like so. I mean, look at how darling those are, super bite-sized and cute. And we kind of have a different flavor for everybody. Our cherry pie, our strawberry, and then our Valentine's Day M&M cheesecake. All right, our last one there. Beautiful. All right, we are going to go ahead and give these a try. I'm thinking I want to go straight for the M&M one. I mean, look at how beautifully round those are. You could like pack these up for a little gift, have them for your Valentine's Day party. Enjoy.